Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News. The Attleboro YMCA has continually made an effort to not just be a gym, but a community resource. That effort has continued throughout the outbreak of the coronavirus, as they now function as an emergency childcare center for essential workers. We spoke with CEO Robin McDonald to learn more.
The YMCA had a slogan that came out, a tagline a couple of years ago that said more than a gym. It's never been more true than today that this YMCA is much more than a gym. The Y has been a childcare provider for decades. We knew that we were going to be heading into a situation here where healthcare workers who might have had different arrangements prior to the outbreak of COVID-19 would find themselves in a different situation as far as childcare. We reached out to the local hospitals. Certainly we're really fortunate to have Sturdy Hospital as a strong community hospital. We also have Fuller Hospital, and we have a lot of healthcare workers coming out of the Attleboro CVNA. And these folks need to work. And as anybody that has been following the news knows, Governor Baker closed down all childcare sites, along with closing the schools in order to reduce the spread of COVID-19. The Attleboro Y was on track already to provide emergency services to healthcare professionals. The state then subsequently came in and designated the Attleboro Y as an emergency site, and they effectively changed what would be the normal rules of childcare. Typically in childcare, you'd register ahead of time. For lack of a better way to say it, we're now working with a situation where there's an express registration. It's drop-in. You can basically call the Y specifically. We have a phone number. Carol Mahoney, our Senior Program Director for Childcare, is listed on the website, the EEC website. Her phone number, you call. You can call the Y, or you can call Carol. You can say that you need to register for drop-in childcare as an essential worker, a first responder. That could be any number of things. There's quite a number of people who are listed on the EEC website as essential workers that qualify for this service. We have extended our care. We open up at 6:30 so that anybody that's a 7 to 3 shift at a hospital can drop their child off at 6:30, get to their work site. And then from there, pickup is at 6 o'clock. So the Y has been open from 6:30 in the morning till about 6:30 at night throughout this situation. And unless something changes, we'll continue to do that. Governor Baker extended the school closure through May 4th and the closure of all childcare sites through May 4th. So we expect that we'll be in the emergency childcare business here until at least May 4th. We started out with about 9 kids a day, then we went to 12 kids a day, then we are 17 kids. We anticipate that will continue to grow as more and more people run out of alternatives that are a short-term opportunity for somebody to watch your child, and especially somebody that is not already quarantined or showing symptoms as spread continues. We know that will be more challenging for folks. We're doing everything we can to keep people healthy. We spread the kids out. We have only 2 spaces that they can go in. The rooms are cleaned every hour. Pickup is and drop-off is curbside. Parents can't come into the building. We take the temperature of every child before they come in. There's a forehead swipe that we use. So, literally, that's not business as usual for us. We're doing everything we can to help the community as it relates to the emergency childcare. So if anybody needs childcare, they should go to the EEC, Early Education and Care website. They should look up the sites that are emergency care sites in their community that they need it. And the Y is here. It gives you the phone number that you call, or they can call 508-222-7422. We have a staff on duty from 6:30 in the morning till 6 at night that will answer the phone Monday through Friday, and will help direct them to how they can express register for childcare should they need it.
That's it for today's update. If you are an organization or government official that would like to share information with the public on DoubleACS TV and WARA 1320 AM, you can email news@doubleacs.com. For DoubleACS News, I'm Austin Ricketts.